Alright guys, just a real quick sneak peek here. We got a 30-inch diameter track set up here. And we got the DeWitt Clinton loco and tender. Just for the first test run, the loco and tender. Okay? Let's see what we got here. Looking pretty decent. Looking pretty decent. Yes, sir. Yeah, I got to improve the couplers. Okay, this coupler here just keeps sliding off when you come to a stop, and the couplers on the 3 coaches are not the greatest. But that is 100% immaterial. The big news is she's a runner. 100% dead on arrival. When I picked it up, after hours and hours of messing with this little tiny thing, I tell you, this little tiny thing was more of a challenge than any Lionel train I worked on. It really was. At any rate, as you can see, we get this out of the way. She is flying around that track with no problems at all. So now it's just a matter of putting it all back together and setting it up and doing the final video with it in working order. So, let me give you the aerial view here. It's only a 3-foot diameter track. So, very tiny. Coaches are going to get hooked up. I'm going to have to make my own kind of couplers. The couplers to the between the coaches work fine. It's the coupler to the tender. It's messed up. Somebody had messed around with it before. It got to me, and I'm going to have to mess around with it a little more. But anyway, this is great news. Great news. And I'm telling you guys, I can't say it enough. This little sucker had me going crazy. My goodness gracious. See, she'll go nice and slow. Stop. Start. Stop. Start. Stop. And you see what happens. You stop too fast, the coupler pops off on the loco. Once again, for those of you who didn't watch the first video, the tender is the power. Tender is the power pack. The loco is just really decorative. It gets pushed. So that's the way this baby works. Alright guys, that's the update for now. Hopefully we'll be back very soon with the coaches on, and a little bit of scenery around here, and looking like she belongs as a new addition to Farmville. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate all the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little piece of history coming back to life. This was quite a memento thing for me. My very first HO train, and you know, working on that tiny thing with big hands is not an easy task. Trust me. Alright guys, book 'em. Alright boys, just a very quick sneak peek. Just doing some test runs here. We got the engine, the tender, and the 3 cars. Let's see what we got here.